Hi, I'm Heather from Heather Handmade. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a fleece hat with a free sewing pattern. This is a great winter hat. It's very simple to sew. There are 2 seams and 1 hem. I have the pattern that comes in kids and adult sizes from like size 2 up to teenager, and then 3 different sizes for adults. This is a little bit taller size in case you want to kind of do a slouchy look or you want to do a deeper hem. This pattern works great with polar fleece, sweatshirt fleece. This one is French terry, and even like almost more of like a sherpa or like a fuzzy fabric that's like a fleece. Anything that is like a stable knit so that the vertical direction of the fabric does not stretch, but it does stretch on the horizontal line. You want the stretch to go around your head to make it nice and comfortable. These hats are so fun and easy to make. They would make great handmade gifts because you only use a little bit of fabric and they come together so fast. I'm even going to add some pom-poms to the top of the hats that I made for my kids so that they have, you know, a little extra detail on their hat. So let's get started. For this project, you are going to need polar fleece or sweatshirt fleece. You can also use French terry or kind of like a sherpa fleece. It really depends on the look you are going for. Make sure that the fabric, not necessarily does it have to be reversible, but one side is going to show on the outside of the hat and the inside is going to be right up against your skin. So you don't want it to be scratchy or itchy. And then you will need the free pattern that you can get on my website. When you cut out your hat, you're going to need 2 hat pieces, but you're going to make sure that the stretch, so the fabric is stretching this way and it does not stretch up and down. You want the greatest stretch of the fabric to go this way with the pattern. You want it to go along the bottom. So cut out 2 pieces. Fleece is pretty reversible, but just make sure that whatever side you want to be on the outside, you're doing it the same for both pieces so that it looks the same. And what you're going to do is you are going to fold one piece with right sides together, and we are going to sew this seam. So this is a fold over here and then it ends here. You're going to sew this seam. I'm going to be sewing this pink one with a zigzag stitch to show you that you can make this hat with just a sewing machine. And then I'm going to be making this plaid blue hat with a serger to show you how to do it with a serger. Once you have this kind of dart seam sewn, you are going to open up like this and then open up like this. You're going to place these together, right sides together. When you have this seam here at the top, you're going to have one going this way and then the other one going this way. So that will help reduce the bulk right here. So pin these curves together and then sew the seam with either a zigzag stitch or a serger. Once you have those seams sewn, you can turn the hat right side out. Now you're going to fold up the bottom edge 1/2 inch and you're going to zigzag around the entire edge. You can pin that in place or just hold it as you sew. Once you have the hem done, the hat is now finished. If your hem turned out a little bit wavy, you can press it with a cool iron, or you can wash it and dry it, and that will help that edge kind of soften up and go back to its original size. And that's how you make a fleece hat for winter with a free sewing pattern. I can't wait to see all of this fleece hats that you make. Please share them with me on social media. Check out these playlists with beginner sewing projects and sewing projects that make great gifts. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful day.